I think it's important as well as a leader to show that when you fail, or if something didn't work out as you thought, actually to share that, to say, hey, yeah, it didn't work, but be honest about it. And then, of course, quickly come back and saying, this is the plan, how we're bouncing back, or this is how we're, the correction, or how we're going to pivot. What's your view on that?
That's a great point, Sannah. And I think it's so true that, perfection is a great thing to strive for, but it's just not there. And as you go through, you're going to step in mines and mud puddles and other things. Yeah. But to acknowledge that, right? To be able to say, you know what, this one didn't go right. Or, I see that all the time with things. I mean, literally, and I admit it to others in the hiring process that, make mistakes all along. And everybody, and I talk to people, I'm talking to people around and like, you get a few bad choices and whatever else, but you know what? You learn from those. You look, you evaluate it. And maybe it's not in the hiring, but in decisions made, even decisions around customers and different things. Okay, maybe we blew that one, but can we go back in? Can we salvage it? Can we do something else? Can we acknowledge that, okay, we made a mistake. We didn't respond to you the way we needed, but you get a lot more kudos for, in fact, I would say every opportunity that you miss, that if you mess something up, let's say we ship a horrible product and then we go in and we make good for it, you kind of raise your status in that, even though you did have the problem versus somebody that didn't. So very good point there.
Yeah. So even if you use the word screw up, but if you are good at fixing it, right, and getting back on track, that customer, maybe they were not happy in the beginning, but it will give them a really good feeling after saying, yes, it actually got fixed. And now I trust, because based on back to that communication, right?
Yes.
It actually builds to it. So it's not like we're saying right here, oh, you should screw up so you can build the trust. Don't do that. But there's like a second win if you, of course, fix your error or your mistake, if you fix it in a proper way and quick way.
That's right. And the opportunity is there. And the other part of it is, and being customer facing as much as I am in all the roles I've had, you get the chance to be kind of behind the curtain a little bit when that happens. So all of a sudden you're going there and you're on the plant floor and you're looking at where the problem was and you're meeting people and you're talking to people and you're learning views that you wouldn't have when you're in your sales mode or you're something else. And all of a sudden you find out that the problem may not be even just limited to where you are, but it's a use issue or something else. So you truly get that opportunity. And if you do it right, then it comes around. And I think, more times than not, you have that opportunity.
Yeah, no, definitely. And never make the same mistake twice, right? If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.